Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study math for Class 10. Start by organizing the syllabus into topics and set realistic daily goals. Create a simple timetable that balances new learning, practice, and review. Allocate time for past papers and timed quizzes to build speed and accuracy. Keep a mistake log and revisit it weekly to cement learning and avoid repeating errors, while staying consistent with short breaks. Warm up with core concepts and then jump into practice problems to build confidence. Alternate problem types and difficulty levels to avoid plateaus and to expose gaps. Time yourself on selected questions and analyze errors immediately after each set. Create short formula cards and rewrite tricky steps until they stick. Consistent, focused practice beats last-minute cramming and helps you manage exam stress with steady progress. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great during study runs and commutes, because a fresh ride makes review sessions more pleasant. It's a small pick-me-up when heading to school or the library. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Approach exams with a clear plan that balances accuracy and time management. Tackle high-value questions first, then move to medium problems and finish with quick marks. Use the first 10 minutes to scan the paper and mark easy wins. If stuck, skip and return with fresh focus to avoid time sink. After each mock, identify recurring mistakes and adapt study sessions to eliminate them before the real test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.